We better get this. Rita's about to pull up, do a skit. Let's see Hachi do a skit. What do you think? It will do a skit?
Yeah, it'll do a
When
skid.
it's right?
I've done many skids in this car. It is capable.
Yay!
Around the sky.
Let's go! That's awesome. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting really dizzy. I'm trying because the camera's getting so close with the car.
Yeah.
I couldn't get out of the car in, but I'm trying to film his impressions. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's a good morning. So
Yeah.
another drift cami day down here at Mary.
Yeah, beautiful day down here.
Dom
Sun shining.
looks a bit different this time. Usually has the massive beard.
Yeah, shades it up.
Roughly proud to
It's all
hear.
gone.
Yeah, it's all gone. Looks real fresh.
Cheers, man.
And today also look at our beautiful lineup of cars.
Yeah, we got all the cars ready today. We got the V8 180 here, obviously all Rocket Bunny.
Yeah.
180s.
I guess a
got
lot of people already seen these cars.
Yeah, these are the well-known cars that have been around most of the time. You've got the V8, the RB, and the SR. So you got all your different power levels and torque bands. So you got to get used to different power levels of drifting.
Yeah, and you feel pretty stoked driving the drift taxi down.
I just
from the hill.
drove it down, warmed it up, and man, it feels nice. Makes all the right noises.
1J.
Yeah, I'm keen to give that thing a
Look at the engine package over here. So that one's the V8.
Yeah.
And this is the RB SR 1J.
Yeah.
That's
VQ.
VQ 35.
Another VQ.
Another VQ, and that one's VQ 37, right? Yeah,
it?
3.7.
Yeah, yeah, that's the one.
3.7.
Yeah.
And back there was 20 valve
Blacktop.
blacktop. Do they still call it 4H? No,
Yeah, still 4H.
still 4H, but 20 valve.
Yeah.
It's a massive. How many? 6 different engines in 7 cars. That's pretty massive. Imagine bringing spare parts for them.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you for not killing me.
You're welcome. That's
That was fun.
yeah, it was heaps of fun.
I saw you sweating a bit.
A
It was a bit hard work drifting that.
Oh yeah, it's just nervous. Try not to kill the drift master.
Oh, Drift Master, Tux is standing here.
Yes.
They might have to battle.
I want to see that.
I want to see that.
Yeah, I'll be down.
I'll drive Tux's car. It's about midday now, and the guys are killing it and drifting. Look at them there. Awesome drifting, and me and Tux just been working hard servicing the car. So that's the Z over here, and this morning we have already serviced these 2 cars and also removed the condenser in that car, and that's gonna help with the cooling. If you haven't seen this one, this is Tux's new car with a 350Z anniversary wheels. Just look at it. Tux working at this hot weather. Way too hot today. New Zealand hasn't been this hot before. I don't know why this year it's so hot for so long, getting canned so much. Yeah, on to the next one, the 3rd car with servicing. I can see you sweating a lot. I am sweating.
Yeah, it's quite hot today.
Yeah, but very good.
It's way hotter than last year.
Do you want another water?
That's alright. Actually, I still have the water there.
I put it in the radiator. I was gonna, top it up in the drift taxi, a little bit of water. So I'm gonna bring another new water.
Top up the water in here.
Yeah. I saw a half bottle sitting here, and then now I put it in my car.
Alright,
Okay, I'll bring a couple more drinks. Get some cold drinks.
Yeah.
Do you want one?
I'm still got.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. It's so hot. We need to keep drinking this water. Oil coming from 350Z. New one going in. Give this car a try because for some reasons, this car doesn't spin wheels as good as the white one in second gear. And what we did is we just wound a bit camber in, and hopefully, you know, it's gonna drift better in second gear. Let's give it a try. Okay, let me give a second gear donuts and then handbrake initiation.
Okay. Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, it's way better. At second gear we can hook it up. Still not the best power in the world, but that's all it needs.
Sweet.
Yeah, so before we can pretty much only drift 1 gear and a half. We got 2 gears now.
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay, now check it out. Tux in the black 370.
Woo!
That thing's pretty awesome.
Yeah, bro.
Check it down. Look at the power he's got and the torque. I can't even spin my wheels.
Your tyre is falling apart.
Yeah, it is first time. First time truck days. Yeah.
It's going good then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for first time it sounds really good.
Yeah.
Nice exhaust.
And your tyres will be strippy, but yeah, in a good process.
Are they Bridgestone?
Yeah.
Because they're falling apart. But I guess that's just a bit of a trait for second-hand Bridgestone, I guess. But are they snowies? No, they're not snowies.
No,
no.
not snowies. Still.
Oh yeah?
Chunk, but yeah, sounds good.
Heaps of fun though.
Yeah, man.
Good stuff, bro.
That's the best car, isn't it?
Best thing I've ever driven.
Handling wise, it's super.
Just the power delivery, the torque, the power's everywhere, it doesn't peak out. It just keeps going, there's power everywhere.
Yep.
Oh,
what's the temperature?
So controllable. Now? Operating?
No, it's on, yeah, it's on there.
What, 91?
91. And that also helps, you know, today we've been working on the cooling side of things.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You approve? Taxi, mate.
Thanks, bro. That was
It's
awesome.
all good. Alright, that also ends today. So it's been a super hot day. We're working on all the cars, getting all the cars ready. We drift pretty much everything, all the Drift Academy cars back there, and also Drift Taxi 350Z. Me and Tusk got a little bit close battles, super fun. I love it, and obviously thank you all these guys for helping today. Another good day here at Drift Academy New Zealand, and that's pretty much the wrap for this week, and see you guys next time.